One of the biggest things that we've seen, and one of the biggest opportunities that we've seen for not just us but for anybody who has data, is that the search and big data market are beginning to converge. What's happening is that the solutions that we're building are invariably including other technologies.
So as you start acquiring companies and putting their systems together, instead of dozens of applications, you'll have hundreds of applications. You'll have tens of thousands of users. And now the environment's starting to get a little too wild and woolly.
So border agencies is one of the big ones now, where identity resolution is very, very important. So I don't know if anyone recognizes this individual, but he's got a brother. They were the guys who got into the US and planted a bomb at the Boston Marathon, killed 5 people. And that's how they entered his name. And that's how it's really spelled. Even that simple mistake was enough for that person to get into the country.
Our sentiment engine doesn't necessarily have to work just in English because of the way that we built sentiment using machine learning rather than any rules-based system. We can take what we know, we can use the underlying NLP stack that Basis has and apply this kind of thing across languages too.
Well, we've been fortunate to have had a great turnout today, and some of the people that turned up were Arm, Haymarket, Reed Business, Norton Rose, to mention just a few. We're very pleased that we got all these people to come out to such a great event.
Today was valuable from various angles, but the most prominent aspect of today was for me to see the possibilities of what's there, what's available, but to see that in a demo way or in a practical way and the possibilities around there. I think that was quite enlightening.
I think it's really important to make sure that you're sort of at the forefront of the industry and know what's going on, because we're not the largest of companies, but Search Technologies work with some very huge companies, so it's great to know what they're doing.
So if there was something worth knowing in the industry, it's a very good kind of place to come pick that information up.
The value of Search Technologies is proving that we can build solutions, and our chief architect Paul Nelson has always liked to demonstrate things live because it enhances our reputation and also educates our audience a lot more than just talking to PowerPoint slides.
To actually watch those demos and see what's possible and what's achievable and what has been achieved through those examples was valuable.
It's really broken down so I can understand actually what has been done, so I understand the work that's been carried out on my site and so I can see what everyone's doing.
We've had a fantastic attendance today, almost 60 people in fact, and those include Reed Elsevier, John Lewis and Haymarket.
And this particular award, which is the first one actually that we've awarded in the international area, is going to Haymarket Media Group.
Just networking and the face time you get to spend with people, have introductions, rekindle the kind of acquaintances you have. So that's a very good kind of networking event as well.
I think it definitely increases your knowledge of what's going on in the industry, and I think if you don't, then you're kind of going to get left behind.
I'm really looking forward to the tour.
I'm looking forward to see the hidden gems of this great place.
Well, we're very fortunate to have had a great turnout today, and all of the customers that came and prospects have been very valuable to us. It's such a great event.